What if the biggest reason you struggle to build wealth isn't your income? What if your own brain is quietly training you to stay exactly where you are? Think about this. You get paid. For a few days, everything feels great. Then the bills arrive, you buy something you've been wanting, maybe you order food, upgrade your phone, subscribe to another service, or spend a little extra because you tell yourself, I deserve it. Then suddenly, you're waiting for the next paycheck again. And the strange part? You don't feel like you made one huge mistake. You made hundreds of tiny decisions that felt completely normal. That's where the trap begins. Your brain is designed to prefer rewards that happen now over rewards that happen later. $100 today feels real. $100 invested for 10 years feels almost imaginary. Psychologists call this present bias. Your brain basically says, why sacrifice something I can enjoy right now for a future version of me I've never even met?
And that future version of you keeps paying the price. But there's another trap that's even more powerful. Your brain adapts to your lifestyle. Imagine you start earning $3,000 a month. At first, you feel rich. Then you upgrade your apartment, eat out more often, buy nicer clothes, get a more expensive phone, and start spending like $3,000 has always been normal. Then one day, you earn $4,000. And somehow, you still feel broke. Why? Because your brain doesn't measure wealth by how much you earn. It starts measuring it by how much you have become used to spending. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it can quietly turn a higher income into a higher level of financial stress. But there's something deeper happening. We don't just buy things because we need them. Sometimes we buy things because of what they make us feel. A new phone can make you feel successful.
Expensive clothes can make you feel respected. A luxury purchase can make you feel like you finally made it. And social media makes this even worse. You see someone else's vacation, car, apartment, clothes, or lifestyle, and suddenly your normal life feels like failure. So you spend money trying to close an emotional gap that money was never designed to fix. And here's the cruelest part. The more you chase that feeling, the more your brain needs another reward. Buy something. Feel good. Feel guilty. Work harder. Get paid. Buy something again. The cycle repeats. But you can break it by changing one thing. Stop asking, can I afford this? Start asking, what is this training me to become? Because every purchase is more than a transaction. It's a vote. A vote for instant pleasure, or a vote for looking rich or becoming financially secure. And you don't need to become obsessed with money. You don't need to stop enjoying your life. You simply need to make your future self part of the decision. Before buying something unnecessary, pause for 10 seconds. Ask yourself, if I keep making this decision every month for the next 5 years, where does it take me? That question changes everything. Because becoming financially successful usually doesn't happen through one massive decision. It happens through thousands of tiny decisions that nobody notices. And your brain is already training you every single day. The only question is, are you training it to chase a richer life or training it to remain trapped in the same one?